Kerang.
Relax. Kerang.
Kerang. Okay, okay, okay.
She said she love you.
I love you too. After 12 long years, I'm finally back in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's beautiful capital city. It's full of exceptionally friendly locals selling unbelievably delicious local food. So join me as I eat my way through KL. All right guys, so first stop we're at Nasi Lamak Wanjo, and this is the most famous Nasi Lemak joint in this area of Kampung Baru. It's been open since 1963 and it's hyper popular. Let's go see what the hype's about. All right guys, let's get stuck in. I always feel a little bit self-conscious when I don't know what I'm ordering. Hello? All right, so we've got the coconut rice here. Apa khabar? All right, so we got the sambal here. We've got the anchovies, hard-boiled egg. Let's have a little look round at what we're gonna order. All right.
Chicken sweet and sour.
Okay.
Special chicken rendang.
Rendang, huh?
Yes, chicken rendang.
Daging.
Daging rendang.
Daging rendang. Okay, I can say that one. That's it.
Ini sudah habis, simple.
Oh, finished.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Cuttlefish. Sotong.
Oh, sotong.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is kerang.
So this is cockles, blood cockles. All right.
Lang.
Lung.
Malay paru. Lang.
Okay. All right, so guys, if you come over, you want to take away, you want to go to where I went to, which is the wrong way. If you want to eat here, you want to come see the lady here, all right? What's your name? Sorry. Your name? No, you. Ariati. Okay, I'm Gary. Nice to meet you. Okay, can I get one plate with? Eat here, please. Yeah.
Okay, normal. You want some chili?
Yes, please. Lots.
One egg or fried?
Fried, please.
Okay.
One fried. Yeah. Frikandel? Frikandel. Okay, so that's like the Dutch frikandela. All right.
Then,
Chicken rendang. Ayam rendang.
you want brush?
You have Thai? Anything fine.
Brush.
Okay.
Then,
And then I'll take another plate. So one more with
don't finish. One more.
one more, please. But this one I'll take the boiled egg, please.
Okay. One egg.
Boiled egg, please.
Telur rebus. Telur rebus.
Telur rebus. Okay, we're gonna get a lesson here.
Then, lang.
It's good.
Paru.
It's good.
Paru.
Paru.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take a little bit. Yeah.
You want.
Thank you. All right, guys. So she's gonna give me a little lungs to try. Okay, deep fried.
Goreng.
Goreng.
Lang goreng.
It's good.
This is paru goreng.
Paru goreng.
Yeah.
It's good. That's good. They do roll their tongues here. Okay.
You want this?
Daging
Daging rendang.
rendang.
Beef rendang.
Okay, so we've got beef rendang.
Yeah.
How many hours you cook this one for?
Huh?
How many hours you cook?
Maybe 3 hours.
Oh, wow.
4 hours.
Nice. So it's very soft, guys. Sotong. Sotong, please. You think this is a good choice? It's good? Okay.
Good.
All right.
You can try.
Excellent. She's going to cut that all up for me nice. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama cockles.
Oh, thank you so much. So we got cockles.
What is that?
Same, sambal.
Yes, sambal kerang.
Kerang.
Sambal kerang.
Sambal kerang.
Yeah. Sama kerang. Kerang.
Kerang.
Relax. Kerang.
Kerang. Okay, okay. Okay.
She said she love you.
I love you too. All right, guys, so we've got 2 plates here. Let me run you through what I've got. Right, so she's given me some of these cockles for free. Krang, 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 did she say? Just kind of the same name for Hoi Krang is the name for these in Thailand. I don't know if that's similar. She's just telling me that's what the chili sambal was. We've got that sambal, that chili sauce, chili paste, whatever you want to call it there. Coconut rice. Soto. So we've got squid in sambal, or cuttlefish in sambal, hard-boiled egg, some anchovies, and then that sort of what should be fall apart when I've had it, beef rendang. Right, next up on this plate, I've gone with fried egg. They've decided to hard cook the yolk. Sambal piccadelle, which is, I believe, a potato cake with chives and onions, deep fried in a bit of batter. And this actually comes from the Dutch fried potato ball frikandella. All right, guys, so first rendang of the trip. Oh my God, that rendang. All right, now this is bringing back memories. Last time I was in KL, like I said, was about, I don't know, 12 years ago. And I don't really remember eating too much. Like I said, this is my first proper Nasi Lemak in Kuala Lumpur. All I remember eating before is beef rendang every day. Oh, this is quality. The rice is actually made with coconut, so it's coconut rice. So you're getting a little sort of background hit of coconut milk. The rendang, as you'd expect, if you haven't had this before, it's like a reverse seared beef casserole. So like in the West, we sear the meat, then we put in the liquid and we let it reduce, whereas they put the liquid in first and let it reduce down, so it's all like caramelized and beautiful. Fall apart in your mouth, slightly sweet, but more spicy, salty, creamy from the coconut cream. Great flavour, lemongrass, lime leaves, shrimp paste, galangal. Off to a winner, but I better not eat too much of that because I've still got loads more stuff to try. All right, let's try the like squid sambal, I guess, soto. I'm not sure if that's stir fried. That could have been stewed. Again, spicy, lots and lots of onion, chili, but it is a touch sweet. It's a little on the sweet side. This sambal is a touch on the sweet side in general. So I'm going to put a couple of these little anchovies on top. Now you've got another hit of salt, like that umami hit. And the dried salted anchovies, a little bit more texture. That's balanced that sweetness out a little bit for me. I'll be honest with you, I could have this just with the rendang and the rice and nothing else. All right, let's try those cockles. I mean, it's still bordering on too sweet for me, but flavour-wise, it's great. Common theme here: onion, garlic, dried chili, very, very spicy, well cooked. Yeah, I'm having that. As I said, this is the first one I've eaten, so I've got nothing to compare this to. So, I mean, I've eaten it outside of Malaysia, but it's the first one I've had in Malaysia. I'm digging it. I'm liking it. I'm liking the whole vibe. I think fried egg better than boiled egg for me, because I don't really like the hard, like black yolk. But all in all, it's just a great dish. I love the presentation on the banana leaf. It's good. And then we've got chicken rendang. So that same curry sauce. And I've actually, she gave me chicken breast. I don't know why I didn't specifically say I didn't want chicken breast. But I'm sure it's going to be okay. And look at that lovely oil we've got there. All right, next up, we're going to go for the chicken rendang, guys. I would have preferred leg, but it's not like ridiculously dry. It's not too dry to eat. The flavour again. It's like a Penang curry. All the same flavourings. Again, lemongrass, lime leaves, galangal shrimp paste, shallots, garlic, spices. Very, very similar to what we would have back in Thailand for like a thick cooked Penang or a chuchi. That is delicious. Yeah, for me, much better with a fried egg, guys. Again, it's mixing it all together and getting a little hit of those crispy, crunchy anchovies with the sweet sambal, that kind of naturally sweet coconut rice, and that spicy, savoury, flavour-packed rendang sauce. Again, I would probably just go, if I came here again, I could easily just have the chicken rendang and the beef rendang. I don't know if that's a done thing. Any of my Malaysian viewers can tell me if that's a done thing, but I could easily just eat that. I would definitely, I'd just ask her to go and get me a thigh next time, or a drumstick. But that's very good. Right, last but not least, we're going to try this fricandela thing. Fricandel. Onions, potato, deep fried in some rice flour batter. I've had mine with a little bit of the sambal. Well, there's a bit of spice in there as well. It's a deep fried oniony potato cake that kind of tastes exactly how you think it's going to taste. But what I will say, it's quite comforting, and it's 10 times, if you've ever had a fricandela, you'll know this is 10 times better than a fricandela. Sorry to all my Dutch friends. Yeah, so what I would say, I liked it, but what I would probably do is try and hunt for somewhere where the sambal's a little less sweet, if that's even a thing. Maybe that's just how sambal is in Kuala Lumpur. But let me know, my Malaysian viewers, if any of you are watching, is there somewhere else that I can get a less sweet sambal? I would just come in and get the beef rendang and the chicken rendang, if that's even a thing, on the same plate, and probably the fried chicken. I really just like the anchovies, the cucumber, the egg, and the coconut rice and curry combo. So that for me was absolutely perfect. But I have had, without a doubt, a perfect first experience with Nasi Lemak in Kuala Lumpur. It's probably exceeded my expectations, especially the beef rendang. But this video is not over today, guys, because I'm going to head back to the hotel now. I'm going to wake up Helen and Finley, hopefully take them down for some delicious curry mee and wonton mee noodles. Let's go.